video of another bridge watch. We are off the coast of North Carolina in Hatteras, just off the coast of Hatteras. I'll show you on the chart. Little expanded view. There's Hatteras Inlet. Right there. Gonna come up to here and make our next turn, heading up to Norfolk, Virginia. So we got most of the stuff stored away. We're in about 4-foot seas, about 4 to 5 seconds. Boat's actually hitting pretty well. We've got a kind of a following sea, as you can see. So it's running pretty well. That's it. We're running about 80% load. Depends, 70 to goes up once we hit the waves and stuff like that. Around 2,000 RPM, and we're doing about around 50 gallons an hour is what we've been averaging there. It goes up and down based upon the waves. So that's pretty much it. We're in autopilot, and we got about 5 more hours to go before we hit Virginia. So that's it. This is the 74 Sunseeker that we're on. So I'm gonna keep my feet up and watch the waves for another 5 hours.